Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter on Toyota Auris. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box, so in order to get access to it we need to remove the glove box. To remove the glove box there is two tabs on both sides that we need to push in, and the glove box will come out. As the glove box removed, now we have access to the cabin filter. This is the cabin filter cap that we need to remove, and this is the cabin filter right there. Now we're going to take it out and replace it with a new one. That's the new cabin filter. Now we're going to put it on and put the cover back on, and then the glove box back on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.